Bonjour tout le monde! Today, new video to talk to you about our online portal for you to place any order online, and you can also do much more. But on that video, I'm just going to focus on the ordering part of things. So this is basically a quick training to improve ordering and improve the process and the speed of ordering. So let's have a look at our website. So here is the international website of Nobel Biocare. I invite you to dig into it and spend a bit of time in there. There is a lot of really good information. If you click on that world map here, you can select the country that you want to get in. Sometimes you can land directly on Nobel Biocare Australia. Sometimes you're going to land on the international site. It really depends on the web browser you're using. Once you're in there, you need to create an account if you haven't done it yet. To do that, you'd simply click on register. Oops. Click on register. It's going to take you to a new page, and you got two options. Option number one, you create an online store account because you are an existing customer and you got a customer number. Create online store account, and here you just place all of your details, which is your customer number, email, first name, last name, postcode, and a password. Make sure you have access to that email that you're putting into the system, because you're going to receive a verification email just to confirm that this is the right email address so you can link your account. If you are not a Nobel Biocare customer, the best way is to click here and become a customer, or you can contact your rep or customer service for them to give you the application form. Once you're all set up, go into the signing tab, put your credential in there, press sign in, and that's it. It's possible that you already have an account online with the email you're going to use. If that's the case, the website is going to let you know that you already have an online account under that email address. It's pretty simple. Sign in, put your email address, and click on forget password. And then you're going to receive an email for you to create a new password. You can create as many online accounts as you want linked to your customer account. So you can have two different email addresses that can log in under one account. Once you log in, you're going to land on your dashboard, and you can see your previous orders, my invoices. I'll touch base on this one a bit later, and your courses. If you're subscribed to any course, you can see which one and when they are. To shop, click on the shop tab. Once you click on the shop tab, you can have all the different categories here, and each categories give you all the different options and all of the instruments you're looking for. So let's look at instruments, impression copyings. Once you're in there, you have on the left side of the page, you got your filters. Filters by categories. So we are in the impression copying category, but you can go a bit further and look at the open tray. Once you've done that, you got your different connection type: internet connection, XNOX, on one, tri-channel, platform. So here I'm going to, for example, put internet connection, and I'm going to look for a classic regular platform. You can see there's 8 items in that filter now. And here you got the list of all your different impression copying, open tray, conical connection, regular platform. I'm going to make a video about how to pick the right impression copying, maybe next week or the week after, to help you guys picking the right impression copying. Once you've done that, just click on the plus or minus, depending how many of each item you need. Click add to cart. And I've done that a couple of times, so my cart is pretty full now. Then click on my cart. Once you're in there, you have the summary of your cart. You can change the quantity or you can delete the item. You have an option to put a patient reference number or a purchase order. that's going to be written on your invoice. You can apply a promo code if you have one, and you can check the shipping and tax. So shipping, delivery within 24 to 48 hours because of the delivery address I've put in, total value, tax, and total freight cost. You can see here in red, it says add to my catalog. So if you have something you're ordering quite often, you add it to your catalog. So next time you order, you don't need to search for it. You can just go into your catalog and you're gonna have a list of all the items you order quite a lot. You also can look at when the product is available. So here, all of the products are available today, apart from this one. You can see here, it says that it's going to be available from the 11th of August. So you are aware of any back order we are dealing with. Press Checkout tab. Here is the shipping address that I've put into the system. If you want to add another shipping address, you can just contact your rep or customer service and give different shipping address if you want to, and this will be updated into the system. Double check everything, click Next. For the payment method, I have a test website here, so I only have one payment method, but the truth is you can either ask for an invoice, so we send you everything with an invoice, or you can just pay directly with your debit or credit card. And then you place the order, which I'm not gonna do here for that example. Once you click place the order, that's it, everything's done. You're gonna receive a confirmation email that your order's been placed, and you can then go back to my account, and then you can look at all the past order. You can also reorder a past order as well. If you know what's in that order and you want the exact same thing, you can just press reorders and it's going to reorder everything automatically. If we look at my catalog, like I told you about earlier, you just need to go into my purchases, and in there you can see here my catalog. Click on it and you're going to have this, you can see all of the things in your catalog. So you can see I have a couple of things in there, and you can just put the quantity you need. And you can add it to carts. One thing I would like to touch base as well is the search bar. You can just click on the search bar, put the ref number of the product if you know it. And once you've put that product number in there, you should be able to see your product. And you can add it to cart. You can also search with keyword. I could, for example, put Nobel active. And that's going to give me some search terms and categories. So Nobel active and Nobel Parallel CC implant with style ultra surface, or Nobel active. I'm going to click on Nobel active. And here I'm back to the page and I can filter by categories, surface, platform, and everything else. That's it for today and how to order your materials online. I am available to go through everything with you in your clinic, book a meeting. I'm going to be in touch to come over and help you out to set up your account, help you out for the first order, and everything else that you might need with that new online portal. Again, this is really made to help out our customers, help out customer service, help out myself, because I happen to sometimes make mistakes when I receive phone call, email, text messages. It's a lot of channel just to order something. So we really try to keep it simple and keep only one ordering channel so we don't confuse anyone, and we keep it so we reduce any kind of mistakes that I could make, that customer service could make. So really here it's to improve our ordering system and make it quicker and easier. Thank you for listening. And once again, keep on smiling.